Our story neither starts nor ends here. Since 1975, we have continuously developed and renewed ourselves, always focusing on innovation. Technology and development from Germany to make our vision a reality. Light when and where you need it. The comfort of all our customers is our focus. We develop concepts and projects for homes, offices and complete buildings. Professionalism and personalized service are our hallmarks. Our products are sustainable and innovative. Every step has made us what we are today. From saving energy to creating spaces of well-being. We have grown globally to reach our customers. We are not just light. We are Brück Electronic GmbH.